Today video session I am providing my tutorial site introduction. Okay, I have created ShivaTutorials.com site. Okay, ShivaTutorials.com. It contains all programming tutorials in very easy languages. Okay, it include all the programming languages content: Java, .NET, PHP, Android, okay, Django, Python, lots of things. Okay, so you can see here, and this is my portals, ShivaTutorials.com. You can go there. Okay, it has home tutorials options, all programming languages: Java, Python, PHP, C Sharp, software testing. I have created the tutorial session in very easy languages. Suppose that you want to learn Java, then you can simply go what is Java, Java introduction, Java definition, Java fundamentals. Okay, these are the sessions of Java. Okay, 600 plus posts I have described in my portals in very easy language. Okay, so you can easily learn from there. And suppose that you want to learn Java, what is Java means the first session of Java, you can simply learn there. Okay, and after finishing the articles, you can comments also the answer of the related assignments. Okay, what I have provided to you. Okay, these are the practical assignments here, and their solutions you can also implement on comment section. Okay, so you can freely learn the programming languages from these portals or this site in easy language. It is a digital notes. Okay, no need to buy any book. You can go their sites and you can easily learn advanced Java program also. Okay, PHP, C Sharp, Selenium, software testing, all tutorials I have created. Okay, and you can freely access right now. Okay, we not take any charges to read to study from there. Okay, and if you want to join our online or offline classes, then also you can contact us. Okay, you can go into the contact us section. Here I have mentioned the complete address of our training institutions. Our training institution is ShivaConceptSolutions. Okay, it is a 12 years old institutions in Indore. Okay, and we have 3 branches in here, and these are our contact details. You can directly contact to us if you want to join our classes. Okay, so we are providing the training for normal certification courses as well as job oriented courses. Okay, and as well as placement security courses, 100% placement security program also, corporate Java program, corporate Python program, software testing program. Okay, and some modern technology, suppose that data science, machine learning, AI. Okay, and blockchain programming. Okay, these type of modern programming languages also we also cover in our content. Okay, if you want to join the any software training courses with online offline mode, then you can you can learn. Okay, and register online also to call on this number. Okay, this is our contact number, this is our contact details. If you want to see our video session, if you want to attend demonstrations, okay, then we have also created our YouTube channel also. You can simply go youtube.com/ShivaConceptSolutions and simply type youtube.com/ShivaConceptSolutions. Here I have described lots of mock interview session. Okay, mock interview questions, as well as I have created the playlist and provided all the demonstrations for related technology. You can see here, you can visit here and listen my lecture properly. Okay, so you will learn lots of things, lots of new knowledge about your technologies and modern technologies also. Okay, and we also provide career guidance. What do you want to do after graduation, or if you have any gap, or you want to enter into the IT field, then which technology is best for you, then you can come in our office for offline counseling, and you can call at these numbers to our counselors. They will suggest you which technology is best for today IT industry. Okay, what is the industry requirement? Suppose that you want to learn front end developers, then you should go with React or Angular. Okay, you want to learn Java or Python, which is the best? These all things we will clarify. Okay, so again I am suggesting you should go ShivaTutorials.com, and we have provided 600 plus posts there. You can easily learn by simple English languages, and we also provide all the practical implementations also. If you want to ask any doubt, then every sessions contain the comment box. You can go there and comment there. Okay, we will solve your issues. Okay, thanks a lot.